Guys, we are currently at TP1. We started the live session talking about the fact that the gold was heading up and the up movement is becoming too much. There needs to be a rest of the gold. And we wanted that rest to come in after we saw a bearish engulfing. We currently have 77 pips now, guys. Secure some profits. Move your SL to break even. Now we are risk free. There is no more SL. Take out your SL down to break even. We are bringing it down, 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 down. It's coming down to clear all this liquidity. All this liquidity are going, guys. They are all going down. That's a signal we have. The 5 minutes chart. When we came in the morning, we saw the price move down, broke structure, went up, created a valid pullback, left liquidity there, came down, broke structure again the second time. So when we saw this move, we knew that something was happening on the higher time frame, which was 30 minutes bearish engulfing, 1 hour bearish engulfing. So we said, okay, since there's a bearish engulfing, if we go by high sense strategy, a pullback to 23% of that bearish engulfing will drop our price down. That's number one. Number two, if we go by price action, smart money concepts, a push up to the sweep of this liquidity, this valid pullback, any sweep of that liquidity can bring the market down. And ladies and gentlemen, we are currently 80 pips in profits, moving down, 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 sinking in. It's about to clear out all this liquidity, guys. This is going to be taken out right about now. The price is going to clear that liquidity to the downside. Everything is for sure. I have one of my accounts here, the manual account. Unfortunately, we are not trading this on auto copy because most of the guys in auto copy, they are buying these positions. So we are not trading on auto copy right now. We're just going in manual right to clear this off. So we entered from around this point, and unfortunately, we had to reduce our positions because the price was going up into our level. There is a fair value gap right in here. Morning star right in here, so we expect the price to drop and show us a sign like quite early. This is it, so we have to reduce our position, and then the price dropped now from where we are, where we started from. Price dropped from where we started from down to where we have right now. This is the safest sell entry we could take. The safest sell entry we could take. Where we are right now is about 64 pips, 72 pips right now. Where we are right now, and I think I still have a strong feeling it's going to drop. Yeah, it might pull back a little bit to fill up this fair value gap. This is 5 minutes time frame. But then we are still coming down, down, down to clear this particular liquidity. There's a lot of liquidity right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's clearing everything here. If you draw a trend line right here, you notice that we are already slipping into the trend line. Like we're kissing it and we're about breaking that trend line right now here. From here, you see what I'm saying. So if you go down to line charts, what the banks use, the line chart, you notice that it has been pierced, broken. The line chart has broken the structure. The structure of the line chart is now broken officially. So we are likely to go down more, down more, down more. But of course, I will not be scared and I will not be surprised if I see a pullback to 618 before we drop, or even 23 before we drop. It's not really an issue. But I have my position and I'm holding my position. I'm not going anywhere until I see the first take profit. I'll take some of the positions at the first take profit. That is this neckline of the head and shoulder. We have something that looks like head and shoulder from the bottom. Sorry, I think my music is now becoming noisy. All right, back to the chart again. So we have something that looks like head and shoulder dropping down. And if that is true, the neckline is this level we draw. And if the neckline is broken, then we are definitely going to see the price dropping down, 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 down. So right now we are still in that market. We took some profits on my other device. I think I have some profit to display. Oh God, guys, you need to see I'm in profit, guys. I'm in profit. Where are you guys? Oh my goodness. Price come down. Let me show them this profit. I'm a massive profit, guys. I'm a massive profit. I'm a massive profit. Massive, 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 massive. I don't know, guys, if you guys can see this. I'm in massive profit right now. Let me take a screenshot and send the photo. Take a screenshot and send the photo. why wouldn't I take a screenshot and send the photo? So I will also close some positions because I'm in some massive profit. I'll close some positions and close some positions, guys. Close some positions. Close some positions and leave only 4 positions to run. Leave 4 positions to run and then go to my place here, live in profits, G4, scan, blasts. All right. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, guys. Let's go, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3. Drop it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom. Share. Back to this chart. Let's go to the trading view. What's this? I already told you we are in already. We are selling already. So if you not sell, please don't sell. We've gone. We might have a pullback. If you not sell, please don't sell. We might have a pullback. We are currently at a trend line level. So the market might decide to go touch 1, touch 2, touch 3, touch 4. It might decide to go up before we drop down again. But our position has been secure. We are no longer in any risk. We have covered our risk, like SL to break even. That's what we have done already. So please, if you've not entered, don't enter. It's going to be very risky for you to enter right now. I just wanted to I think I have this. Yes, I have this. So I think I can see this is 5 minutes time frame. Yeah. So risk free. So let me write, we are risk free, right? Let me write it now. Risk. Move SL to be. I'm asking you guys again for another time. If you took this trade and you are in profit, kindly drop screenshots in the group, please. Thank you. It's going to be discouraging that we are taking the trades together. I'm calling the trade. Nobody took the trade. Or we are taking the trade together. I'm calling the trade. You took the trade and you're not telling us you took the trade. It's going to be very, very discouraging. Like you are just feeling like you are on your own. So if you are your own, why doing a Zoom call? You just want to do it by yourself, right? So, but when people share the testimonies, oh, I took the trade, I'm in loss. Oh, I took the trade, I'm in profit. It gives you that sense of, oh, wow, that means what we are doing, we should continue it. Move SL to VE. We are in 70 plus 70 plus. So we are still dropping down massively. If you have that position, hold it. Don't go anywhere. Stay there. If you don't have the position, please don't take it. We are looking for buys. When we get down, we are looking for buys. So just be patient. When we come in the afternoon, we'll look for buy entry. Mm. Mm. TP one. It's no SL to be. We are in 7% plus profit pips. Yeah, I told you guys we'll be expecting some pullbacks. So, but I've taken some profits. I just have few trades left there, just about 4 of them. And I locked my SL to break even. If I can close one more position and leave only 3, my SL has been brought back to break even. So in case the price tries to do something, the price could decide to go uh, sweep our break even and come down. So if it does that, I think I'm going to look for an entry again on a lower high. But if it doesn't do that, which I'm not expecting it to go back again, because we've already taken out this liquidity, nothing left here. So if price could go back and close above this place, we are now officially bullish. And I'm not expecting us to be officially bullish right now because I'm expecting price to drop now. We've had several liquidity. We have added one more liquidity to be taken. So I expect price to drop. Like I expect price to drop. So if price doesn't drop, it means that we have to look for another entry to sell again. And close this and wait. Take it back to this. Go back to 1 minute time frame and look for a sell opportunity again. I think this should get to sweep this level. This thing is still very, very valid for a sell. But if you close above this level, no, not this level. If you close above this level, if it closes above this level, it's game over. We are not selling again. Closes above this level, it's game over. We are no longer selling again.
If we close above which level, please?
If it closes above 33.18, we will close all our trade. If we have any trade, we'll close it because the buys.
33.18. Okay.
Yeah, 33.18 is the highest level. If price closes above 33.18, it's game over. We cannot sell again. So we're waiting to see what happens now. Waiting to see what happens now. If we have a bearish engulfing, it will be a good one. If we have a bearish engulfing, it will be a good one. If we don't, we have our SL at 33.18. Let me mark my SL at 33. Yeah. Let me mark my second SL, 33.18. Yeah. It's my SL. Let me mark my TP1 at no. Here. TP1 will be at 161 level of this. That's my TP1. So my TP1 is set right in. Yep, correct. That's the zone. That's my zone at TP1. Then my TP2 is down, TP area here. Right. Right in here. Then what else again? That's all. Just to watch and see what happens. That's the time to play the music again. That's the time to play that music again. So because you see, this thing, a lot of liquidity gather here. So they need to come and clear this liquidity now. They showed us a breakup structure here, telling us that there's a massive sell movement already in the system. And they showed us a pullback down to 23% level. So it shows us that there is also a strength for sellers to sell. There's a sell strength right there. So if we have a continuation, the best place to take profit will be at the 618 of this pullback. That's around here, 3307, our TP2. We already hit TP1, which is that trend line level. So TP2 is 3307.5. That's our TP2 area. So price ought to come to that place following market structure, pure market structure. price ought to come to that same place. Yes. What's this person saying in the group? So based on what the GIFU scanner shows us, it says that from this level here, where we have 33.16, that there will be a drop because there's a sweep of liquidity around that area. A massive drop started earlier then, that price began liquidity engineering up to 33.16. And when we got there, we started selling from that point. We dropped it down to 70 pips. We took some profit. Price now pull us back again to around 23% Fibonacci pullback level. And we had our entries there, 1, 2. And now price is dropping again in a mad profit of about $29, $33 on a 0.1 lot size. And then we are moving it on. Look at the lot size, 0.1, and look at the profit there, 23.25. So we want to take our first profits around this. Want to take our first profits around this level here, where we have a lot of support liquidity. Support liquidity are gathering here, 1, 2, 3, 4. We want to take our first profit there. But one thing we can do is that we have to learn how to be securing profit time to time, Abi. So this $25, $29 we are seeing here, we can just this lower one, Abi, we can just leak from inside, double tap, go to the volume area and take out 0.5, 0.5, close it. So we took some profits a little bit, we just bite the thing small like that. You understand what I'm saying? So that it not be like, say, you didn't take profit. Because when price begin to go back here, I will not allow the price to go back to loss. I see blue, I turn it to red. Never. I won't. So when price begin to go up, go up, go up, if you notice what I did the other time, I'll just close the trade. Because it's going to my break even. In fact, I will bring this my 2SL. Time don't reach. I don't want price to go back up again. Come back inside my chart. If price tries to go up, place Kwelewu, it will not put me on any stop loss. It will not put me on any red. I'll still earn my trade in a blue. Yeah, even it doesn't matter if I'm making $1, it doesn't matter. But I must maintain this habit until my account grows to the point whereby I don't care to take a loss. But right now, I care. I really care. I want to maintain a high level of risk management to the best of my ability. I don't want my blues to turn to reds. I don't want my wins to turn to losses. So I must shift my SL down to break even after price has moved. Let me see the number of pips that price move so I can see if maybe I am within the confidence level, like I'm confident enough. Price has moved from this level down to 47 pips. Price moved 47 pips. I can shift my SL to break even now. At least that is good enough movement. Aha! Price drops massively to give us an extra 10 pips just by a spike. So price from here dropped down to so far we are now in another 60 pips, guys. We are now in another 60 pips. 60 pips, guys. We are now in another extra 60 pips. And this is a massive, 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 massive win this morning. So I told you the GIFU scanners are working. If you don't have the GIFU scanner, I don't know what you are waiting for. And I don't know why you don't have the scanner. If you have the scanner, you get a lot of confirmations. If you have the GIFU scanner, you have the GIFU signal, you get a lot of confirmation. You know what you are doing is correct because other professionals are doing the same thing. It costs you only $149 to get the GIFU scanners. Just $149. And look at how much we are making now. We're making around $87. Just look at what we are doing right now. We've come to around the take profit area. I'm trying to let me take some profit. This $50, I will not leave it like that. I've seen this money. I want to take this money too. So I'll just like press, double press, oh, double tap on this. Oh, how do I do this thing? Like this. Double tap on this, it shows me the volume. I'll reduce this volume down to 0.5, 0.5. Take the profit, close order. Boom! I've taken another profit. I've reduced my lot size from 0.1 down to 0.05. I'm right now in a profit of $53 and I'm going up. My profit will not turn to loss because I've already broken even. I've shifted my SL to B. I'm right now in a crazy profit. Please, guys, learn how to screenshot your profit and send to the group. Learn how to screenshot your profit and send to the group. So, guys, as I was saying, live on this call, we are still using the GFU scanners. The GFU scanners gave us this idea that price is coming down, 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 down from level. And then when we did our analysis, we also saw that, right, yes, price is really coming down from that level. We took the trade, we make 70 pips. It went back again. We had a pullback. We took another 2 entries again, and it came down, giving us another 70 pips again. We are close to take profit. We're taking some profit, change our lot size from 0.1 down to 0.05, and we took some profit about $80, and now we're having another $59 moving in profit. Our TP1 area is close by, where we're going to make some profits. How much am I going to make? $39 if the trade goes to TP1. We also have our TP2 where we'll be making another extra. How much is that? So when the price is able to come down to the second take profit, we'll be making another extra $73. Guys, it costs you only $149 to have access to the GFU scanners. The scanners will not trade for you. The scanners will give you market direction. The scanners will give you confidence in the market, show you where we are entering from, show you where we are going to our target. The scanners will give you that level of confidence you need. If you have access to the GFU scanners, you'll be able to have access to unlimited GFU live trades. You will see live trading going on. I can switch to a live trade. You get access to full education on the GFU. You get access to live trade signals. You get access to tap to trade connected to your MT5. You get access to scanner. You get access to all the services listed, including for 4 weeks. So it only costs you $149 if you are part of our team to get set on your GFU. And then you reach out to Sydney Allman from Minnesota, my friend from America. She's going to ensure that you are complete and you are joining us to milk this market. Even in a bearish move on a higher time frame, we're expecting the price to drop down a little bit to where we have some fair value gaps, void, liquidity area before we start pumping up again. Because generally on a long time frame, gold is bullish. We have an inverted and show that it's yet to be completed on gold. I saw this also on the GFU scanner. It gives me all the ideas that I needed to add to my own idea. In case you don't know how to trade, the GFU scanners get you help covered. Like the signals on GFU are A++ signal. All you need to do is to sign up with $149, have access, have the app working for you for 30 days, and do your thing, guys. Do your thing by yourself. Be in charge of your game. James will not always be here to trade live with you guys, but if you have the scanner, you have the right education from GFU, you can always trade by yourself. You can always get your confidence by yourself, your confirmation by yourself, your trade entry by yourself, your funds by yourself, your commissions by yourself. You can do it all by yourself. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. How much are we made now? Let's see on the MT5. On the MT5, I'm seeing I'm dropping down to 37. It's not an issue. It's not a call to, it's not a suicide call, right? So I'm just going to check this trend line again. Something is wrong with this trend line. Why this thing is not passing here? There's something very, very, very much wrong with this trend line. I'll change it to, let me change colors. Where's the colors? This guy is that's properties, right? Colors. The line chart, I need it to be black. Okay. So now on line charts, I'm seeing here that we have a strong trend, higher highs, higher lows, but this was broken right here. This is my 1 minute time frame. So this trend, one touch, two touch, three touch broke it. We had a pullback, then it still came further to break again. I do not expect this to go above this. I do not expect price to go above 33.16 anymore. If price should go above 33.16, I will no longer sell again. If price goes back to my entry, I will close this trade in break even. I've made some good money, right? No problem. If price continue going down, I will hold my position until I get to the take profit 1, take profit 2. We could still go down, guys, because there is a liquidity down there. The price need to go and fill a fair value gap. Another block is right there, down, down, down. So it's possible for price to go right down. So let's go back again to trading view to see what we have there. On trading view, we have the same thing, but showing us clearly liquidity areas. I don't know why price is not breaking that zone. I think there's something there. There's a massive reason why price always comes there, couldn't break. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch, the 5th touch pierced again, close below. Like the price is scared of closing below that trend line. If you change it to line chart, you'll see the same thing. It's not closing above that zone. What's happening? Like I need to see price close below the zone, do something like a pullback, then a continuation. Oh my God, if I see that, we are coming down to 23.89. That's exactly what would happen if we have break, retest, and continuation down to the downside, guys. Remember, we are risk-free. Our account is locked. We are not going to be in any loss anymore. We're just riding the profits. Now, don't have so much profit and all of a sudden you now have no profits. No. When the price is moving your direction, you close some position. When we started earlier, I remember very, very well, and some of you here bear me witness. Those of you watching on YouTube, I'm sure you can also rewind and see what I said. When we saw the price entering around this side, we took only one position and we said two things. Number one, if price goes above and close above 33.19, we will close our position in loss. But if price gives us a sell signal on 1 minute time frame or 5 minute time frame, we will add more position. If you rewind this video backward, you will see why I said, guys, we've seen a sell signal, I'm adding more position. I said it, and I did on my device here, my manual trading. I added more positions. I added about 6 sell positions because the price already started. So the moment the price dropped down to 70 pips, I closed a good number of profit, leaving only 4. When the price began to go back, I closed some profit, leaving only 2. When the price got here, it was 23% pullback of this move, which is a break of this structure. I added 2 more positions, giving me 4 new positions. To bring me down again, I took some profit here. Right now, price is playing with this trend line level. I don't know why price is doing this. And if it try to go back again, for me, it's game over. I'm going to close all my position and leave it like that. Like, I don't know what this guy is trying to do. Is coming here second time and is not able to break it. I don't know. Something is happening here which I'm not seeing, and I don't know where it's coming from. Right? So I want to make sure I pack as much as I can and leave the rest for the market, because we've done all the analysis we know and we expect price to drop. We've seen price drop already about 70 pips. And it's not going below that. Why? I don't know. I don't know why it's not going there. My knowledge ended here, bro. I don't know why it's not going. Perhaps there's no fundamental to push it. If I check DXY, probably I might explain why it's not going down there. DXY is supposed to go down. If DXY is going up, our price, our gold price will also, sorry. DXY goes down, it means dollar is weak. And if dollar is weak, our gold will go up. If DXY goes up, it means dollar is strong. And if dollar is strong, our gold will go down. So right now, what I'm seeing on the DXY is telling me in terms of line charts that the support level has been tapped already, and the price is heading to the resistance level. Price always moves from resistance to support, right? All these in between, they are just liquidity noise. Price always move from resistance to support. So what I'm seeing on my DXY line chart on 5-minute time frame is that the support level has been nicely tapped, and price is going towards the resistance level, 5 minutes time frame. But in between the line, price has to cross Fibonacci. So if you bring a Fibonacci here, I say there's a drop, Mr. Price, from here down to level. At what level will you start going down? It's usually at 50% level. So it means that from 50% level of DXY, we expect to see price drop down to 161 level. Let me put the Fibonacci on that way around so you see what I'm saying better. Switch this Fibonacci upside down. I want to see the extension level, Fibonacci extension. So I switch the Fibonacci upside down at 50% level or 38% level, between 50 and 38% level, price could possibly start going down based on Fibonacci sequence. And if it goes down, I'm expecting the price to come as low as this level. This level here. Yeah, that's our target. Fibonacci out. So right now, we want the DXY to go up. If the DXY can go up all the way to 50% level, this zone, or 38% level, this zone, then our gold can go down. That's the point. But the DXY does not go up. If the DXY goes down, our gold will go up. Why? The DXY is the strength of the dollar. So if the DXY goes up, it means the dollar is strong. And if the dollar is strong, what does it mean? It means our gold position will go down. We are trading gold against dollar. So if the dollar is strong, where would the gold price go? Down. Right? So if the dollar is strong, our gold price will go down. So we want to see the DXY going up so that the price of our dollar, the price of our gold, will go down. Why will it go down? We're trading gold against dollar. So if the dollar is strong, the dollar is strong, the DXY will go up. Dollar is strong, the XAUUSD will go down. So this is a little bit of the analysis. Right now, we are just in a Magnimus Silencer quiet mode. We don't know if we are going up. We don't also know if we are going down. But what concerns us mostly right now, what interests us the most is the fact that we are in profit and we have set our break even. We currently have $46 and that's around 60 pips in profits. We are holding our position to TP where we have 39 pips here, $39 here, and where we have $73 right here. That's on this account. I have another account here that is also running on $76 profits. That's it. I don't know if they can see it. $76 profits. It's a very massive account. I don't want you guys to see what I'm trading there. So we have that other account, but unfortunately, we don't have our auto copy playing right now. We don't have our auto copy playing right now because I'm not following that guy. I know that right now that DD guy will be buying gold. So I'm not following that DD guy right now. My are currently not going on the Naga autocopy. The reason my trade are not going on right now is because the trader I'm copying, copy trade, on my Naga account, I have a $311 balance there. And on that account, I'm auto copying this particular guy called Flo Farrell. Flo Farrell does trades German 30. That's the DAX 30. And the last time he closed a position in profit was around 8:10 this morning. So I'm of the opinion, or I am thinking, I'm assuming that he's waiting for the best position to enter another buy on German 30. Until then, my account will not trade because I'm copying him. And the DAX 30, the German 30, is a very great trader with 95% win rate since 2014. And he has 208 people copying him. And he's from United Arab Emirates. You can see statistics flows very neatly to the upside. And oh yes, his books are full of greens. He's a 13.72 profit factor trader, managing an AUM of $24 million. This guy is not a joke. His drawdown is positive over the month, over 3 months, over a year, since 2014, September 17. So this guy knows everything he's doing. This is why I'm not in a haste to change or go somewhere else. If you look at the DAX 30, you'll notice that we have signs of the bullish move, but I don't know why he's not entering. Maybe he's sleeping or something like that, because this is a real human being thing. There's a rejection block. There is a support term resistance on DAX 30. I don't know why the guy is not opening position. Probably he's waiting for New York Open. I guess that's what he's waiting for. That's this is 12:30. I'm sure he's waiting for the New York Open. At the New York Open, we have touch. Let me see. You have a trend. This guy is for. We have touch down there, touch 2 here, touch 3 here, touch 4 here. So I think there is supposed to be an entry here. I don't know why the guy is not picking the trade from here, but then probably New York Open. I'm looking forward to see entries on the buy on DAX 30. Back again to our gold. Our gold is just forming a flag pattern. You know this thing the price does before it drops? We call it flag pattern. Look at it here. Da, 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 doom. Look at it here again. Da, 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 doom. This is a flag pattern. Flag to the upside, drop. 161. So this is most likely what we are seeing. Flag, drop. So that's what is most likely happening on our gold right now. Okay, but we are still here, right? We are still here, guys. We are still here. We're not going anywhere. We are still here. We're not going anywhere. This is the time when we need to play that music. Is the music ready, DJ? Please play some music. Let's have some music in the background while we wait to see what the price is doing. The commentary has been quite interesting. And please screenshot your profit, post it in the group so that people can see. I think we should have something like a jazz, right? Something like a jazz is good for this moment. Please, if you are in profits,
videos has never, ever.
Don't allow your profits.
Instadoodle is.
Don't allow your profit to turn to loss. Don't allow your profit to turn to loss. Always secure your profits. Right? Secure your profits. Don't allow your profit to turn to loss. Thank you. Let's enjoy the music. If you have any question, please feel free to chat and type your question in the chat box. We're still in profit, guys.
Life. I go carry back.
Yeah, we broke it through.
That's it. Card balloon. It will be like this. It's all like this, darling.
will be a drop because there's a stream of liquidity around that area. A massive drop started earlier then. That price began liquidity engine up to 316. And when we got there, we started selling from that point. We dropped it down to 70 pips. We took some profit. Price now pulled us back again to around 23% from actually pullback. Honorable ladies and gentlemen, courtesy of the GFU scanner today, we have our first take profits hit on the second trade call from the GFU scanner. We made our entry around this point, 33.16. We had a drop down to about 100 pips. Let's confirm this number of pips executed. We are almost at the take profit level. Any moment from now, we are going to be seeing our take profit level, ladies and gentlemen, down at 88 pips. I beg to disagree. Started from the top right here where we had our first entry, down to the very point. Let's take profit 104 pips, ladies and gentlemen. And we already took some profits, reduced our lot size from 0.1 down to 0.05. And now we have $2 right there.
$14.
Any moment from now, we are celebrating our take profit one, but there's one thing I don't like about this market. When it comes close to the take profit, it likes going back. We are looking at $39 and we have $32. I'm going to take it. Boom. I'm out. Take profit one, hit. My take profit two right now, I'm going to shift my SL down to my second area right here. So if this price comes here, my second trade is going to cut off. That is at what price? $12 in profit. Aha, the take profit is fully engaged. So if we leave it out of here and we go to boom, 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 boom. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. We're down. We're digging right into the floor. Digging it right into the floor, guys. Right into the floor. 5 minutes candle. All right, guys. We're going. Sure. For the picture, counts the pips. 107 pips, guys. Let's write it down. Pick it up there and take it up to the group. Drop it here. Let's see. Boom.
Okay. That's good. 71. So I made $21 now.
Guys, because of the recording, we have to end this call right now. We are in profit already over 107 pips. I think I have another meeting. Because of the recording, we have to end this call right now. We're in profit over 110 pips right now. And we are still bringing this price down because all this liquidity have not been taken. This price is still coming down. Another area we are looking at is 32.99, but then the final area is this support level 32.89. And we'll begin to look for buy opportunity down, 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 down. I think that should be probably tomorrow because this is a very long journey for this price to come. I don't think this price can do all of this today, all the way down to this point before we start going up. So I think more of sales is what we expect to see as the London session, as the New York session starts. But this liquidity has to be taken, and probably a setup has to be from here before we start going up again. But whichever way it is, we're going to be back here by 1:30 to trade the New York session. So I just want to end this recording. For those of you watching on YouTube, you can be able to join us in the group, join us in the community. Boss, can I trade still? Can I still enter now? Bro, you are free to enter the trade anytime you want to enter. I'm not the one that custodian of this market. Trade can go either in take profit or stop loss. So anytime you feel you want to enter the market, go ahead and enter. But I will always tell you whenever I enter the market, and I'll always tell you when I auto copy any trader. But it's your choice to decide to enter anytime you want to enter the market. You can make profits and you can make losses. This market is owned by nobody, controlled by nobody. You just have to be tricky about how you analyze, how you enter. The best thing I have advised everyone to do is to have access to a GFU scanner, a GFU signal, a GFU education, and also a GFU tap to trade. This will give you a lot of confidence and a lot of confirmations for your analysis and for your entry or exit and your risk management. So without much ado, like to say a very big thank you to every single one who have joined us on this call. See you again at 1:30. We'll be coming out for the New York session. Until then, James Ochima is my name. Have a nice time and au revoir.